Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be discussing about my new trading entry. As you are aware that my trading setup is based on 6 conditions. I will guide you what are the conditions and how to take entry and where to book your profit. Let's discuss it from where I have taken my entry. I have taken my entry from this candle. I have taken my position, sell position. I have opened my sell position from this candle and I have booked my profit here. Now, what are the conditions? Let's discuss it one by one. If I open up my condition sheet, these are my sell entry conditions. The first one is price must be touching the upper band or above the channel band. As you can see that these are the upper band and the lower band, and for sell entry we must say that the price must be touching or above the upper band level. And you can see that this candle is very close to the upper band and our first condition is met here. Now let's move to our second condition, that is red diamonds appear at above specified level. You are also seeing there are few red diamonds here, the first one and the second one, and these are very close to the upper band level. This is the area from where we are looking for a sell position, and both of our conditions are met here. Price is close to the upper band and the red diamonds are appear very close to this upper band. Now let's move to our third condition, that is momentum indicator must not be far away from its central line. This is the momentum indicator, and for this candle you can see that this is the center line, and this is not far away from its center line. Means if you look at these candles, you can also look at the momentum indicator and it is far away from its center line, because there is a strong momentum in the price to move upside. So the indicator is far away from its center line, and taking sell entry from this position is very risky, and there is a likelihood, there is a most probable chance that this will hit your SL. So we will wait for the momentum indicator to be close to its center line, that is the price loses its momentum, and then we will look for entry. But make sure when it is close to the center point, then our price must be closest to the upper band level. This is the main condition, and you can see that for this candle price is very close to the upper band. There is a red diamond and the momentum indicator is not far away from its center line. Now let's move to our fourth condition, that is there is a diversion at above specified level. Now this is the level from where we are looking for a sell position, and you can see that there is clearly a diversion here. Indicator is making a lower low and price is making a higher high. So clearly a bearish diversion. Price is making a higher high, indicator is making a lower low. And this diversion, so fourth conditions out of six conditions in total, we are in agreement. Now let's move to our fifth condition, that is long-term trend indicator displaying the red lines. This is the long-term trend indicator, and for 5-minute chart it is already set it for a 1 hour time frame, because this is a multi-time frame indicator. And for 1 hour it means this is showing blue lines. It means that price is still in an upward direction, moving in an upward direction, and this is optional entry. But if you are a trend lover, then you must wait for the price, they must wait for the bars to be showing red bars. Otherwise it will be not, you are taking trade against the trend. So it is an optional one, but trend lover would use this indicator in their favor. Now let's move to our last condition, that is the final confirmation indicator must also turn red. Now let's look at this. For this candle you can see that this final indicator is also displaying red lines. Means out of 6 conditions, 5 compulsory conditions are all in agreement, and we are getting a strong signal for here. for sell position here, and I have opened my position from this candle and I have booked my profit here. For TP and SL, for SL, you can measure the distance between these two bands and put your SL on here. As you can see that both bands are not far away, so you can measure the distance and set your SL here. But if the distance between two bands are very high, then you can measure the distance from upper band to the middle band and put your SL here. Both, it is up to you which method you want to use. And for take profit, once you have opened your sell position here, you can wait for the price to, once it touches to the lower band, then you need to close your position here. And I hope you have both I have cleared my today entry, how I have taken up my trade and where I have put my SL and where I have put my TP. If you want to, but remember, this is my paid system, and I have designed it after thorough testing, using my experience in this industry. And if you want to get in touch with me, here is my Telegram link. Currently the price of this system is $100, but I am offering a 50% discount here, and you can get this system for $50. This is my Telegram link. Use this link to reach out to me, and I hope you like this setup, you like this video, and please share this video with other people and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.